Oktoberfest Detox, how to recover your glow after beer, sugar and late nights. The last song has faded. The beer tents that only hours ago were filled with music, laughter, and the smell of roasted almonds now lie quiet. But your head is still ringing. You wake up in a room where the curtains don't quite block the light, and even that soft glow feels too sharp. Your body feels heavy, your stomach bloated, your mouth dry. You glance in the mirror and almost don't recognize yourself. Where yesterday your cheeks carried a flush of excitement, today your skin is pale. Where your eyes sparkled under the Oktoberfest lights, they now carry shadows of sleeplessness. This is the ordinary world after celebration, joy turned into exhaustion, glow turned into gray. And yet, this is not just about Oktoberfest. It could be after a wedding, a birthday party, a weekend trip with friends. Anytime celebration meets sugar, alcohol, and late nights, the next morning feels the same. Still standing in front of the mirror, you feel it, an urge rising. I don't want to stay like this, you whisper to yourself. It's not just about feeling tired. It's about feeling disconnected from your best self. You want your glow back. You want the lightness in your step, the clarity in your eyes, the energy to greet the day instead of hiding from it. The call is gentle but persistent. There must be a way to recover, to reset, to return to the vibrant self that still lives within you. The Oktoberfest detox is not a punishment, it's an invitation. But then the doubts creep in. You slump back into bed, pulling the blanket over your head. Maybe I'll just order greasy food and binge watch something, you think. The idea of change feels heavy. Water seems boring compared to coffee. Vegetables feel impossible compared to the leftover pretzel on the counter. For a moment, you consider giving up before you even begin. After all, isn't this what everyone feels like after a party? Isn't this just normal? The refusal whispers, stay in the fog, it's easier here. And yet, mentors often appear when you least expect them. Sometimes they are people, sometimes they are voices, sometimes they are simply reminders from nature. In this moment, they come as memories, the refreshing taste of lemon water, the vibrant color of beetroot juice, the comforting warmth of pumpkin soup. It's almost as if these foods are speaking to you, we've been here all along. You celebrate with beer and sugar, but you can heal with us. We are simple, we are natural, and we are powerful. Trust us. We will guide you back. You rise, slowly but deliberately. In the kitchen, you cut a lemon in half, squeeze it into a glass, and pour in warm water. The steam rises, carrying a sharp, fresh scent. You lift the glass to your lips. The taste is both sour and awakening. It stings a little, but in that sting, you feel life. It's a small act, almost trivial. But in that moment, you cross the threshold. You step out of the world of heaviness and into the path of healing. The detox has begun, not with a grand gesture, but with a sip. The day stretches ahead like a battlefield. Your enemies are everywhere, sugar cravings whispering from the kitchen, the heaviness that tempts you to nap all day, the thought of just one more coffee. But you are not alone. Allies gather around you. A glass of beetroot juice, deep red like a potion, brings energy to your blood and color to your cheeks. A bowl of pumpkin soup warms your stomach, comforting yet light, whispering strength. An apple, simple and crisp, grounds you, while sauerkraut sparks life in your digestion. With every choice, you are tested. And with every test you pass, you feel the fog lifting. You are not just drinking or eating, you are reclaiming yourself. Evening arrives, and with it comes silence. The world slows down, and you turn inward. You splash cold water on your face, feeling the shock ripple through your skin. You apply aloe vera, its coolness calming the redness, softening the tightness. 2 green tea bags rest on your eyes, their gentle weight pulling you into calm. Here, in the stillness of your own bathroom, you enter the inmost cave. This is not about food anymore, it's about facing yourself. The glow you thought you lost wasn't gone. It was buried under fatigue, under toxins, under doubt. And in this quiet ritual, you begin to see it flicker back. The second morning arrives like a final test. You wake up and for a moment, the old heaviness tries to return. It whispers, stay in bed. Skip the walk. Eat something greasy. But you rise. You drink ginger water, its heat cutting through the fog. You lace up your shoes and step outside. The autumn air is crisp, cool against your skin. Each breath feels like a cleansing wave. Your body resists at first, but then it softens. Step by step, you walk back into vitality. This is the ordeal, choosing life over lethargy, discipline over indulgence. It is not easy, but in the struggle, you discover strength. Later that day, you catch your reflection again. This time, something has changed. Your eyes are clearer, the puffiness has faded, and a natural flush colors your cheeks. Your stomach feels lighter, your mind sharper. It is not perfection, it is progress. And progress is enough to bring joy. The reward is not just beauty in the mirror, but confidence in your heart. You realize, I can heal myself. I am stronger than I thought. Armed with this new vitality, you return to your ordinary life. Work, family, routine. But you carry something different now. You know that parties don't have to steal your health. You know the path back to glow is always within reach. You pass temptations with calm. Another beer? You drink water alongside it. Another late night? You plan your recovery before it even begins. These small shifts change everything. The real test comes when the next invitation arrives. Another party, another celebration. You hesitate for a moment, but this time, you are prepared. You eat a light meal before going. You remind yourself to pace your drinks. You prepare lemon and ginger for the morning after. And when dawn comes, you rise, not broken, not bloated, not dull. You rise radiant. Slim. Clear. Glowing. This is resurrection, not avoiding life's pleasures, but mastering the balance between joy and recovery. And now, with glow restored, you carry something precious back to the world. The elixir is not a product, not a pill, not a secret only for the few. It is the wisdom of balance. Celebrate fully, recover wisely. Indulge without fear, because you know how to return. You share this wisdom with others, telling them that Oktoberfest Detox is not about guilt, it's about renewal. Not about restriction, but about remembering the body's natural ability to heal. And as you stand once more in front of the mirror, you smile. Because you know that your glow was never truly lost. It was waiting, patiently, for you to choose it again. So the next time you raise a glass, remember, it's not the party that defines you, but how you recover. Your glow, your slimness, your vitality, they are always one choice away. If this story inspired you, give it a like and subscribe, because in the next video, I'll share the most powerful autumn teas that calm your stress, protect your skin, and help you sleep better, all while silently strengthening your immunity. Don't miss it. Thank you.